This thing here for mounting the tires, they got the bar mounted a little bit crooked on there, and I don't really know why. I think it might be because this might be a carbon copy of another brand that's a lot more expensive. I mean, this is expensive enough. This set, that piece down there and this bar here were over $300 on Amazon. But since that hole is drilled crooked, I got that clamped in the vise square. As you can see, it's square up and down that part, but the handle is off to my right side here. And maybe it's a copyright rule that they can't make it exactly the same. They have to change something and make it worse. And that's an easy fix. All I got to do is take this screw back out, turn the handle back up straight, and then drill another hole someplace else. So that, you know, I don't know if my camera was on there or not. I drill another hole someplace else, either down here or up. I don't know how long this piece is. I'll have to pull the handle back out and see. But that's what I think I'm going to do, because you can't make this thing crooked like that to one side, because if it were meant to be that way, then you'd need one to go the other side too. You'd have to have, you know, for a lefty and a righty, for a left-handed or right-handed person to manage the tool if it needed to be to one side like that. So I'm going to go on ahead. I mean, the hole will still be here if it turns out I like it there, but I'm going to go on ahead and mount or put another hole. I'm going to straighten this out, put another hole in it, and put the screw in there instead. I took the screw out. The handle's supposed to be up, but gravity is working against me like that, so I'm going to go ahead and just put the handle down, and then I'm going to put this up here tight, take a magic marker, and I'm not left-handed, but the camera's for right-handed people. Put a little mark there like that and double check. That's going to be centered there. So I'll go on ahead and drill a hole somewhere. Here's the original. We'll put another hole close to it, maybe down here. That stem comes out about that far, about almost 2 inches past the hole. So anyway, let's go ahead and put a hole in there. Well, I got that done. I got that hole drilled. The only thing I don't know is, since you work the tool in this position, not like this, is this nut and bolt going to interfere with the tire or the rim in any way? I don't know, but it's a pretty loose fit anyway, so I'm probably not done with it. But it's straight. At least it's straight. It's even with that that part up there. So I may end up drilling it again sideways, but of course I'd have to have this one in place, either that or weld the thing. Pretty loose fit, but sometimes a cheaper brand of something can be a carbon copy, except for a few minor details to make it a nuisance. And I've run into this on aftermarket body parts, fenders, doors, things like that on cars, pickup trucks. I've run into that. The nuts and bolts and screws don't fit. The holes are either in the wrong place, or it's the wrong, they're always going to be the wrong thread. And so you have to waste time going and getting new bolts and stuff for them. There's always little details that are not quite right. They're not allowed to make an exact copy of the OEM copyright laws. I believe it's the reason why you run into that, and that's probably what's wrong here, why this thing was mounted crooked and why the handle is so loose. Anyway, that's it.